How to live stream successfully on YouTube with OBS. Hey guys, have you wanted to do a live stream? You wondered how they did it? You got in there and it looked all complicated? Well, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you in just a few simple steps how you can actually live stream on YouTube with free software. All right, let's get going. But before we do, don't forget to smash that like button down there. That's super important. Put a comment below, ask me a question, tell me something cool, tell me who you are, where you're from, something in the comment section down there. And don't forget, turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you every single time I do a new video. You're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified before anybody else. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to YouTube first, and then I'm going to jump over to OBS, and I'm going to show you on screen the step-by-step method for doing this. Let's get going. Okay, I'm at YouTube right now. Now it's real important, you've got to be logged in. You have to have a YouTube channel to actually live stream, so make sure you do that. Now up at the top here, as you can see, I'm going to click on my little face right there, and when I do that, this menu comes up right here, and I want to go over to YouTube Studio right here. And as I get into YouTube Studio, the next thing I'm going to be looking for is my videos. So I'm going to go right here to videos. Now there's two ways to live stream. You can either live stream as soon as you go in there, or you can schedule a live stream, of which I do a lot of scheduled live streams, so I want to show you how to do that. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here, see where it says uploads. These are the videos that I've already uploaded. Okay, that's not what I want. What I want to do is go over to live right here and click on live, and when I do that, I'm going to see all these videos here. These are all the live streams I've done, but I want to start a new one. So what I'm going to do, and there's a couple ways to do this, but I'm going to go up here to where it says create right here and click. Now it's going to say, do I want to upload videos? Do I want to go live? Do I want to create a post? I want to go live. Okay, so I'm going to go click here and go live. And what I'll do is I'll schedule one for a little bit over a week right now. Now it's going to see one of your last lives that you've scheduled here. Now this one here has not gone live yet. I haven't done it yet. But what I'm going to do is go right here and go schedule stream, and then I don't want to use the same settings because I'll have the same stream, and you'll understand that in just a second. I'm going to click create new. Okay, so I'm going to put in here what this is, and this is going to be live Q&A with gift card giveaway. I'm going to put giveaway. I give away gift cards, so you guys, you may want to check that out. Because you could get a free gift card. Oh, that's not giveaway. It's not giveaway, it's giveaway. There we go. Okay, now I have a lot of this pre-populated that always goes on to my videos. I've set it that way, but what you have to do down here next is you have to select when you're going to do this. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to do it on December the 11th. Okay, which is, no, I'm going to do it on the 12th, which is a little over a week from now. So I click the 12th. I'm gonna put the time in here, and I'm gonna put 10 a.m. and this is going to be set to your time zone. So before you do this, you may want to check out when your people are going to be online. I'm going to pick at 10 a.m. right here. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is upload a custom thumbnail right here. I'm not going to do it on this one because I don't have one ready, but that's something that's really important you do so that you get a good click-through rate. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here on this. And you also want to put in here, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. If it is made for kids, you cannot monetize this. Okay, so if you're making videos for kids, you can't monetize. You cannot advertise to children. They don't allow it. So right here, I'm gonna put no, it's not made for kids, because it's not. I don't have kids that watch my channel. So I'm gonna go right here, and let me get this downsized a little bit. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna click create stream. Okay, so it's now creating this, and here it is, the one I created right here. Okay, this is the one for December 12th. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go over to OBS software and download OBS. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to OBS. I'm going to assume you've already done that, and I'm going to show you how to create a stream in OBS. Okay, so let's go over here and do that, and I'm going to go to OBS right here. I have it in my strip right down here, so I can just click on it. Now as you can see, it already sees me on here. This is the last one I did in OBS. Now what I did right here is I've added all these different things. I have an audio capture, I have audio output capture input, I have there's a text that I put right here So what I'll do is I'll just delete some of these. Like I'm going to take this text out right here and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to click yes. And I have a Logi camera, but it's not on here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that too. That is gone now. So now what it's doing is it's using my computer camera and my desktop. These are all things that reside in here. Now if I were to take the desktop and drag it to the top here, okay, then it's going to show that on top of everything else. If I want to have my computer camera on top, I can put it right here. Now a lot of times you'll see where somebody will have like a picture-in-picture. So I can click this, let me click this one right here, my computer camera, and I'm going to grab this corner and I'm going to downsize it like that. See how I downsized it? So that I am now in the corner of the screen here. So I could show my screen and I could put the desktop here and show the screen and show me too. So wherever I go to on the computer, it's going to show whatever I'm showing on the screen here. Now, how do you actually stream it? How you stream it is you go over here to settings, okay, and you're going to have this one button right here that says stream. I'm going to click on that and there's a stream key here, and I'm gonna, okay, and then I'm going to get the stream for the new live. So I'm going to go back over here to my stream, which is this one right here. So I'm going to go right here. Now this is the stream I just created, and as you can see there's nothing here whatsoever. What I need to do is go down here and get the stream key. So I'm going to click copy. I now have the stream key, okay, because I've copied it. I'm going to go back over to OBS, which is right here. I'm going to click on, I've already clicked on settings. I'm going to click right here, put the stream key in here, okay, and I'm going to put the stream key in here, and then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now I've got the stream key in there. Now to get this thing going, OBS actually will record your entire stream as you go live. So I'm going to click here and click start streaming. Now are you sure you want to stream? I'm going to say yes. Now you don't have to worry, because it's not going to go live on YouTube until you make it go live. It's going to take a second. It says I have excellent connection, which is good, and it's going to populate right here what everybody's going to see. Okay, so let's wait for that to happen. And it is populating, and it takes a minute or two, so you know, don't get impatient. So this is what it sees now. It sees me seeing the screen because I have that, and then I've got my picture-in-picture right here. Now if I want to go live, which I'm not going to do this because this would actually go live on YouTube, all I have to do is click that button right there and I'm going to be live on YouTube. Now the cool thing about it, I'm going to close this for a second, is I can type any type of comments there. I can put hello right here, and I could send that out, and that would be in the comment section there. See, it says hello, and it's going to highlight me because this is my channel, JR Fisher Training, right here. So basically, you know, that's all you have to do to create one of these streams. I would tell you this: if you're going to create a stream and you're going to do this and you want people to show up, first off, it's hard to get people to show up to a live anymore. I will have a small amount of people show up to the live, but a whole bunch of people, maybe 10 times as many, actually watch it on down the road. And as our channel grows, of course that grows too. But you've got to understand that people now know that even if it's live, it's probably going to be recorded, okay, but we still want to let them know. So what we're going to do is we're going to email those people and let them know maybe a day or two in advance. I have one coming up Saturday. This is Thursday now. I had to think about that. So I'm going to email them today and Friday and Saturday and let them know that I have this live stream coming up. I'm also going to post it. I'm going to post it on Facebook. I may actually go live on Facebook and let them know, like, you know, 15-20 minutes before I'm going live, to get more and more people on it. I'll do different things on live streams. I give away gift cards, I answer questions, I help people out. I don't try to sell anything on my live stream. If you get in a habit of doing that, guys, you're gonna lose your audience. They come there for a live stream because it's free. Okay, it's really hard to market or sell something on a live stream. That's not really the place for it, but if you give enough value there, they will send you money. I know I've had a lot of people send me money over the years, and had some pretty happy people. Okay, and you can do that too. There's courses below. You're welcome to do that. You can send me money, but that's really all it is to it, guys. It's your YouTube and it's your OBS software. There's a lot of other streaming softwares. This is not exhaustive of what you can use. I tell you about OBS because it's free. A lot of them out there charge. You can't do as much with OBS you can do with some of the ones that charge. However, it's free. Let me reiterate that it's free. Okay, that costs you anything. That's why I'm telling you about it. Okay, so I hope this helps you out. I hope gives you a better understanding of what live streaming is. Once you've live streamed, or during live stream, I should say, during live stream, people cannot comment. All they can do is chat with you. But after the live stream's over with, it resides on your channel. People can watch it later and they can comment in there. So you do have that availability. So that's really all there is to it. It's very, very simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment below and turn on all notifications. Subscribe to the channel. You got to turn that red button gray there. If it's still red, that's a warning to you that you have not clicked it. You need to click it. Make sure you do that. Check out my free course. It's a $97 course. It's down in the description below. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.